If you farm airdrop, want to farm airdrop, or a complete beginner, then you might not want to skip this video. TastyCo is currently running an airdrop campaign to which they will be sharing $100,000 to eligible users. Just a quick overview. TastyCo is a Web3 platform designed to tokenize restaurants and food brands, and they are currently running pre-giveaway campaign. So this video is going to guide you on how to position for the airdrop. The TGE is going to take place in Q4. Going by their Twitter post, 70% of all tokens will be allocated to the quest on the platform. You need to have a complete profile to be eligible. Apart from the 100,000 reward, there will still be reward distributed through the new airdrop season. You have to follow them to get updated. Now let's get into how to participate. You can pause the video, copy the link showing now on your screen, paste it on your browser, or click the link on the description. I will drop the link in the description. When you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Initially, this is not what you will see. You will see a button here that will ask you to connect your wallet. So the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. So to connect your wallet, you can decide to use MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any Web3 app. When you do that, you'll be required to accumulate verified points over here. So any points you accumulate is going to show here. Now, to accumulate points, all you need to do is to complete the tasks below. These are simple tasks and they are easy to do. None of them requires money to do. So the first one is to connect your Telegram. So you connect your Telegram. After that, you join their channel. You follow them on X. The first time you already connected your wallet, so you just come and claim this, right? Because the button here would say claim, so you just claim it and it will mark it as completed. After that, you follow them on Instagram to complete educational quiz. It's very easy and simple. If you don't know the answers, you can use AI to research. After that, you can choose to refer or not. Then you follow them on Discord. After that, the next thing you need to do is to keep coming back to this quest page every day for 7 days, which is very easy to achieve. I'm on 2 days straight. By tomorrow, I will be ready to claim this first reward. After that, by Friday, I'll be able to claim this. Then by Sunday, I'll be able to claim this point. So altogether, once my point increases, likewise my level increases. So you should try to make sure you get to the ambassadorial level. One more important info: once you connect to their X, make sure you stay updated. Before I end this video, this project is currently not overcrowded, so make sure you don't miss out. That's it for this video. If there are any updates to this campaign, I will try and pin it on the comment section so you can make reference to it. Do you think this project worth your time, or it's another disappointment? Let's hear your thoughts. Drop it on the comment section. If you like this update, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.